Hey guys, Christian here. We got this 2020 Chevrolet Blazer, and we're going to do the brake pads front and back. All right, let me tell you what you need and go from there. So let's remove our wheel, and then we're gonna only replace the pads. Okay, it's a 17. So remove the two 17s, and then remove the caliper. So let's take these two out. Okay. Try this out. There you go. That's the caliper. Now let's take we're gonna remove these two little guys that keep tension on the brake pads. Okay, let's pop it up. Okay, get one of those. I'm going to put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Use my handy dandy tool to retract the caliper. Gonna press. Okay. All right, so once it's all the way to the back, retract it, move this to the side, or just lower it slowly. Let's check if our new brake pads have new hardware. We're using Duralast Gold brake pads, and we do have hardware. We're gonna open this up, pop these out, pop those out, and I'm doing it quickly because it's like -7 right now, very cold. So let's do a quick spray. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in here. Okay. Once you got both of the pads in, we're gonna put these tensioners in as well. One there, the little hole, another one there. So you're going to put this one at the bottom and this one up top on those two holes. Okay, the trick is that once you put them on, they're gonna be pushing outwards. Okay, so you're gonna fight with it a little bit, and then slide in your caliper up top and put your two bolts, two 17s, put your wheel back on, and then do the other side. So let me go ahead and do these two fronts, and then I'll do the back. All right, so the first thing we want to do to put it on brake service mode is to press the pedal and start the engine. Okay, once it's started, and on your left side you're gonna have the brake. On your left side you're gonna have the brake button, the parking brake button. So once it's on, press the brake pedal and hold the parking at the same time. You're gonna hold it until it starts flashing. It takes about 10 seconds or so. So I'm holding both of them. Let's see. So there it is, it started flashing. Now I'm gonna remove the pedal and press the button again. And there you go. You're gonna hear the calipers retract. Wait a few seconds. And there it is. Now it's on brake service mode. So now let's turn off the vehicle and go to the back. Once you remove your wheel, this is the electronic brake caliper. These two bolts are 214s. So remove those 214s and retract your caliper and slap your new pads in there with hardware. So let me go ahead and do that. Once we got the rear and the front done, we're gonna go back inside to remove the brake service mode. I'm gonna turn on the car. Let me press on the brake a few times so I can pump a little bit. It's gonna be flashing. So we're going to press the pedal and hold the button around 5 seconds. Then let go. Once you start hearing the calipers go back in place, then the light is gonna go out, and that's pretty much it. You're good to go. So again, I just stepped on the brake pedal and the button around 5 seconds, and then you're gonna hear the calipers retract. Well, go back in place as they should, and then you're fine. So that's about it. Cool. Brake pedal's firm. All is good to go. So let me go ahead and deliver this vehicle back to the customer, and I'll see you on the next one.